What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, the place where we bring you real tech breakdowns without the hype. And today we've got a laptop that's built for people who need everyday performance, solid specs, and a clean design, all without breaking the bank or going over the top. This is the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 2024 edition, and it might just be one of the best balanced laptops out there right now for students, professionals, or anyone who wants a reliable, fast, and modern machine for work, streaming, or multitasking. As always, you'll find the link down in the description if you want to check out full specs or availability. Hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world reviews, and let's jump right in. The first thing you'll notice is the design. The IdeaPad Slim 3 comes in a slick abyss blue finish that makes it stand out without screaming for attention. It's clean, compact, and lightweight enough to carry anywhere. Perfect for commuting, school, or working on the go. You've got a full-size keyboard with a backlight, a numeric keypad for productivity, and a responsive touchpad that feels precise. It's built to get stuff done, and it looks good doing it. You're working with a 15.6-inch display here, full HD, 1920 by 1080 resolution, and it's also a touchscreen. That means more ways to interact, whether you're tapping through emails, swiping through docs, or zooming in on design work. It's sharp, colorful, and easy on the eyes, thanks to anti-glare coating that helps reduce reflections in bright environments. Whether you're working by the window or binge watching at night, it stays clear and comfortable. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, you're getting the AMD Ryzen 7 7070U, an 8-core processor that handles daily workloads with ease. This isn't a low-end chip. It's designed for people who multitask, run multiple apps, and expect a machine that can keep up. Whether you're doing office work, editing in Canva or Photoshop, handling Zoom calls, or running multiple tabs in Chrome, this processor delivers snappy performance without breaking a sweat. Paired with that, you've got 16 gigabytes of LPDDR4 RAM. That's more than enough for everyday use and then some. You can switch between apps instantly, stream content, take notes, and run software without hitting any lag. And because it's low-power memory, it also helps conserve battery without sacrificing speed. You'll feel the difference the moment you start juggling tasks. It just works smoothly. For storage, this model comes with a 512 gigabyte SSD. That's fast, reliable, and roomy. Your laptop boots in seconds, apps launch fast, and files save instantly. And 512 gigs gives you enough space to store documents, photos, videos, and all the essentials, with room to grow. It's the kind of upgrade from old-school hard drives that you'll notice every single day. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed, giving you a modern interface, productivity features like snap layouts, and deep integration with apps and services. Whether you're working in Office, editing in Adobe apps, or just browsing the web, the experience is clean, smooth, and optimized for multitasking. This laptop is also great for connectivity. You're getting Wi-Fi 6 for faster, more stable internet, perfect for streaming, video calls, or cloud-based work. There's Bluetooth 5.2 for pairing with wireless headphones, speakers, or your smartphone without any dropouts. And the port selection is solid. USBs, HDMI, audio jack, and a memory card reader are all built in. Security and convenience also get a boost with a built-in fingerprint reader. It's quick, reliable, and saves you from typing your password every time you log in. Plus, it adds that extra layer of protection, especially if you're using this laptop in public spaces or shared environments. On top of that, you've got a built-in 720p HD camera. It's great for video calls, online classes, or remote meetings. And while it's not a studio camera, it gets the job done with decent clarity and reliable audio. Whether you're hopping into a Zoom call or recording a quick message, it works without needing an external webcam. And let's not forget the small touches that really elevate the user experience. The keyboard has a numeric keypad, perfect for spreadsheets, data entry, or just navigating faster. The backlight makes it easier to work in low light, whether you're pulling a late-night session or working on the road. And the build quality feels solid, not cheap. It's a thin, portable machine, but it doesn't feel fragile or flimsy. All of these features come together to deliver a laptop that's reliable, fast, and incredibly versatile. It's not trying to be a gaming beast or a high-end workstation, and that's exactly the point. This is a machine built for everyday life. Whether you're writing papers, managing your business, attending classes, editing presentations, or simply streaming and browsing, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 delivers consistently smooth performance without unnecessary extras. So who's this laptop really for? If you're a student who needs a dependable, powerful laptop for school, this is for you. If you're a remote worker who lives inside Excel, Word, and Zoom, this is for you. If you're a creative doing light photo editing or content planning, this works. And if you're someone who just wants a computer that's fast, sleek, and reliable for day-to-day life, it nails that too. You're getting a sharp 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen, 16 gigabytes of RAM, a fast Ryzen 7 processor, 512 gigabytes SSD storage, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, Windows 11, a fingerprint reader, a backlit keyboard, a numeric keypad, anti-glare display, and a 720p HD camera, all packed into a slim, modern chassis in a bold abyss blue finish. That's a full setup for people who don't want to compromise on the basics and who expect their tech to just work. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and let us know how you'd use the IdeaPad Slim 3. And don't forget to subscribe to Top 5 Tray for more breakdowns on tech that fits your life, not just the spec sheet. Until next time, stay sharp, stay productive. Peace out.